We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside of Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the 8.5 by 20 tandem silver enclosed trailer. This does have the 24 inches of the ATP Stoneguard. Has your jack, coupler, and safety chains, as well as the breakaway system. This is a V-nose trailer. It does have 2 vents that are built in along the side. It's a tandem axle. This does come with 2 Greaseable 3,500 pound axles. This does come with 2 Greaseable 5,200 pound axles. It is fully wired with your LED drive lights. Has a spring assisted loading ramp. Inside, the floor is heavy duty plywood as well as the walls. Has a 6-foot interior height. Here we have your dome light. It does have the light switch here, right next to your passenger entry door. Once again, this is our 8.5 by 20 enclosed trailer. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.